The Bread and Butter Kitchen is one of Sturgis, Michigan's newest eateries.
And I got a chance to chat with sisters Jennifer and Melissa about how they built this restaurant around some good old home cooking. Take a look. Well, in the heart of downtown Sturgis, you can find a newish restaurant. They've been around about a year. The Bread and Butter Kitchen, owned by sisters Jennifer and Melissa. Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We were so lucky to have lunch here today, and it was so good. What's your secret?
Love.
Oh, I love that you said that together. You knew it. You'd practiced, right?
We did, no.
So, like, growing up, did you all cook together? And
Food was a big part of our family, but I'm going to say we didn't necessarily cook too much together until we were adults.
Yep.
And so that's kind of a fun, loving thing to do. It's a lot of camaraderie in the kitchen, right?
Yes. Yes.
So I'm telling you what, I mean, the sandwich that I had was super good. They have a whole dill pickles, which were amazing, but the cookies are out of hand. You make them all from scratch?
Yes, we do.
Wow. And is it like something that was passed down in your family? Is that great grandmother's recipe or anything like that?
I just think most of it's stuff that we've tried and really liked, and it's worked.
It's worked all right.
It's worked for us, and it's the combination of both of our recipes.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's great. And so downtown Sturgis is, every time I come here, I find something new, which is a really great reason to come back time and time again. And so this is my first time in here, and I definitely will be back. What do you think is the most popular thing you make?
It was the nuggie, which is a turkey sandwich with avocado spread and cucumbers, turkey on a French roll with baby greens and mayo. That one was coming out. I want to say she because of who it's named after, but that was our popular sandwich for quite a while, and then we come out with the Buster, and that one I think is our new popular sandwich. Is a play on a classic club.
Sure. So after I leave, are you going to name a sandwich after me?
You have to come back a few more times.
Oh gosh, you drive a hard bargain. Oh my gosh. Well, it's definitely worth the trip. Or if you're in Sturgis, it's a breakfast and lunch place.
Yes. And
Yeah.
Sunday we do brunch from 10 to 3, and our menu is a little bit different.
Yeah, a little bit more expanded.
Yeah, and I hear you have the best biscuits and gravy in the village.
Yep.
Yeah, well, there was no hesitation from her. She said, "Yep, that is right." I love that. So, give us for the friends at home who maybe are coming from other areas. Give us your hours.
We are open Tuesday through Saturday, 7 to 2, and then Sunday, like I said, is brunch 10 to 3.
And closed on Mondays.
And closed on
Wow.
Mondays.
Well, you need a day to rest. That's a
Yeah.
lot of work. One of the things that I had a taste of was the soup today.
Yeah.
At lunch, you make all those from scratch, don't you?
All our soups are scratch made, yes.
Yeah, that's what the whole bread and butter part is, right?
Yeah,
Everything from scratch.
Everything.
I love that. Right here in Sturgis, the Bread and Butter Kitchen. You're not going to want to miss it. Just get over here and wait to hear the orders up. Oh, I'm going to do that again. Wait to hear the orders up.
There you go.
Awesome.
Check out the Bread and Butter Kitchen. For more information, you can give them a call at 261-319-6065 to see what's cooking, or head over to breadbutterkitchen.com.
God, I couldn't even ring a bell, Jackie.
There you go.